Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2006 Ford E-450 Super Duty. And this is the moving box style, so that's a 12-foot box with an additional 2.5 feet of attic space over the cab. Got some pretty nice tires on the front here. Decent amount of tread left on those. And a decent amount of tread left on the dual rear wheels as well. This whole box has been repainted. Nice fresh coat along with the wheels as well. Repainted white. This truck has a pull-out ramp as well as a ball hitch. Now look inside the box here. A couple of hooks here for organization. And it has one ceiling light that's controllable with the headlight switch, and another additional ceiling light here that you can plug into an external outlet. Here is the 2.5 feet of attic space that hangs over the cab. Fire extinguisher mounted here for emergencies. This truck has an overall clearance height of 11 feet. Paint job really gave this truck some new life. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the cab. Taking a look inside the cab here. This truck, like all of our vehicles, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition, no rips or tears. This truck has some decent storage space behind both of the seats here. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Now this particular truck, we have replaced the engine. And it says 131,000 here on the dash. This new engine we put in here has 156,000 miles on it. So a little bit higher mileage, but the engine was replaced and everything is looking and running smooth. As you can see, there's no lights on the dash currently. And let's go ahead and take a look at that engine. Taking a look under the hood here. All the filters and fluids have been replaced and the vehicle's been detailed under the hood as well. Again, this engine has been replaced with a Ford factory engine. It's a Ford Triton 6.8 liter V10 engine. This thing is looking and running great. Really put some new life back into it. This truck is ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2006 Ford E-450 Super Duty, dual rear wheels, 12-foot box with a ramp, an additional 2.5 feet of attic overhead space above the cab in the box. It has a replaced Ford Triton 6.8 liter V10 engine with 156,000 miles on it, 11-foot overall clearance, and a GVWR rating of 14,050 pounds. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.